This screencast will be about the option to observe peers in and outside of the district as an option for professional development. It is an opportunity to observe, learn, and apply specific instructional strategies or programs by visiting classrooms where they are being implemented effectively. Teaching has been referred to as an isolating profession. This is the time to break down those walls and provide teachers opportunity to use observations of peers as a tool to grow in their teaching practice. Observing peers or colleagues can be effective at any point in a teacher's career. It is an opportunity for teachers to dialogue together and learn from one another about current teaching practices and curriculum in order to build a stronger knowledge base around a specific topic of interest. By visiting classrooms of peers, a trusting environment can be created where teacher learning occurs. When not being used as an evaluative process, peer observations change the conversation altogether. The conversation begins to be about teaching and how it affects one's own strategies and techniques. Teachers are forever reflecting and making decisions, and when they see someone else in action, in as much as they are seeing someone else, they are almost simultaneously seeing themselves. This means that observation is really important in leading a teacher to reflective changes in their own teaching. When observations are done in a considerate and respectful fashion, and in support of working toward the best interest of students, observations can be beneficial for both the observing teacher and the teacher being observed. It is also important to have a specific focus for the observation, such as a writer's workshop strategy or the integration of technology into instruction. Dialoguing about the focus of the visit before and after the observation helps to centralize and reinforce the learning objective. Teachers can select to observe peers at their school sites, at other school sites in the district, or other schools outside of the district. These observations should be used as an opportunity to locate individuals or schools that are demonstrating best practices that support a district, site, department, grade level, or even an individual goal that has been established for the year. The observations can be done by an individual or in a small group where a group of teachers may have established the same professional development goal. Half or full day substitutes will be available to allow teachers to observe peers in action. When organizing and planning to use this professional development option, a focus for the observation visit should be identified in advance. Any participants who decide to use peer observations should have a knowledge base around the focus for the visit. It may be a program that the observing teacher has attempted in class already and is seeking to learn more to move their practice to the next level. Or it could be a teacher who has researched a topic in advance and now wants to see the strategy or program in action within the classroom setting. It is also important to understand the background of the students, teacher, classroom, and school that will be visited in order to put acquired learning into context for one's own assignment. Normally, the observer plays no active role in the lesson itself unless an element of team teaching is agreed upon in advance. The observer will keep notes on the observation to refer to during the debrief. The observer and the observed should meet soon after the observation. The focus should be on discussing procedures and techniques utilized during the observation, as well as time to reflect on the underlying rationale of the teaching. Some possible topics for peer observations are personal, site, or district goals, common core-related topics, writer's workshop, technology integration, or other topics of interest that tie to professional development plans. This concludes the screencast for observation of peers. Remember, observe, learn, reflect, and apply.